Today's topic is layout of distribution network. The distribution pipes are generally laid below the street pavements or road, and as such their layouts will generally follow the layouts of the road or pattern of the road. There are in general four types of pipe network. First system or network is dead end system or tree system. This system is suitable for irregular developed towns or cities or haphazard growth cities. In this system, water flows in one direction only into submains and branches. There is no circulation of water, resulting in formation of number of dead ends. No circulation, so there is number of dead ends. We can understand the system with this sketch. This is the main pipe. This is main pipe. This is submains. This submains. This submains. Main pipe, submains, horizontal lines, submains, and this is the vertical lines, and small lines are branch lines. And these are the dead ends, close end or dead end. This, 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 this. These are the dead ends. And many places are. This is the cutoff valves. This and this. These are the cutoff valves. This system is simple system, just like a tree branches. So name is tree system. Some advantages of this system are: first, discharge and pressure at any point in the distribution system is calculated easily. Calculations, design calculation simple. The valves required in this system of layout are comparatively less in numbers. Number of valves is less. The diameter and height of pipe used are smaller, and hence the system is cheap and economical. Fourth advantage is the laying of water pipes is used are simple. Some disadvantages of this system is there is stagnant water at dead ends of pipe, causing contamination because of no circulation of water. In stagnant water, there is contamination. Stagnant water shall be removed by square valves, causes wastage. Second disadvantage is during repair of pipes or valves at any point, there is some obstructions in supply. The entire downstream end are deprived of supply because water can reach through one particular route. So that route water supply is disturbed. Third is the water available for firefighting will be limited in quantity because supply cannot be diverted. And layout, second layout network is grid RN system or interlaced or reticulation system. This system is better than dead end system or tree system. This system is more suitable for well-planned city. It can be applied to dead end system by closing loop and removing dead ends. Improvement in dead end system. So this is there is circulation of water. So no stagnation of water. This is the grid iron system. This is the main pipe. Central pipe is main pipe. This is submains. This is submains. Submains. This is submains. And this is submains. Horizontal lines. One central vertical line is main pipeline. Main pipe. Horizontal lines submains, and these vertical lines, lighter lines, are branch lines. And these are the dotted. These are the square valves. These are the flow of water in two direction. Flow in two direction. This is grid iron system. Some advantages of grid iron system. In the case of repair, a very small portion of distribution area will be affected and supply will be reaching. Second, every point reaches supply from two direction and with higher pressure. So friction losses or losses due to length of pipe or major loss. One major loss in flow in pipes is friction loss or major loss. Friction loss and major loss, and size of pipe get reduced. Third is additional water from the other branches are available for firefighting. In case of emergency, there is free circulation of water, and hence it is not liable for pollution due to stagnation, because water remains in continuous circulation. And disadvantages of this system: more length of pipes and number of valves, and hence more length of pipes and number of valves are required, and hence there is increased cost of construction. Second disadvantage: calculation of size of pipes and working out pressure at various points in the distribution system is laborious, complicated and difficult. So calculation is difficult in this system. Third system is circular or ring system. In this system, circular or rectangular ring of main pipe is formed around area to be. These areas are divided into rectangular or circular blocks. Sometimes this system is used as looped feeder placed around a high demand area. All around the pipe is main pipe along with grid iron system. This system is used along with grid iron system in high demand area. So it enhances the capacity of grid iron system and improve pressure. This is the ring system. These all around pipes are main pipes, and this is the submains. And vertical lines are branch lines. This is the ring system. And fourth system is radial system, or also known as zone system. This is a zone system. Water is pumped to the distribution reservoir. First, water is pumped to the distribution reservoir or supply reservoir, and from the reservoir it flows by gravity to the tree system of pipes or branch pipes. Layout of roads need to be radial, where road pattern is radial. In these places, this system is adopted. Layout of roads need to be radial to eliminate loss of head in bands. In this system, bands are minimum. It is applied in a city or town having a system of radial roads emerging from different centers. This is the radial system. In this system, this is the main pipe, central pipe is main pipe, and this dark line, this and this line is sub mains. These are the this this and this diagonal. These are branches, and these four, 1, 2, 3, 4, these four dots are indicate service reservoir or distribution reservoir. So this is the main pipe, this is sub mains. These are all lines, horizontal, vertical, and diagonal lines are branches, and 4 points is service reservoir and distribution reservoir. This is the radial system. These are the four system of layout of network. Thank you.